Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today we're going to learn how to propagate our pineapple patch by using the pineapple. Okay, so you see that head, that top on top of the pineapple that looks like leaves? You would grab that pretty much like this, and then you just twist it, spin it off of there. Let me show you what happens next. After you've pulled it off, you want to place it in a cup of water for a couple of weeks, just like that. Then it'll grow these little roots that you see right here. You don't have to peel the leaves back. You can just set it in water and it's going to do just fine. But this should just go straight into the ground. But first you're going to want to prep the area a little bit and just add a little bit of good soil that has a little bit of leaves in detritus. Good soil. You just come over to your spot now. Go ahead. Make a little tiny space for that thing to set in. Grab your pineapple top with its roots coming out and just set it in there and gently push this little bit of soil up to its base, and that's it. You see, that's the sun. These guys are out in the full sun. They get at least 6 hours of sun each day. That's all you really need. Pineapples love sun. They need well-drained soil, that's for certain. So the sand works really well for that, but they need a little bit of organic material, not a lot, because then you'll cause these guys to rot out. Now, I've been searching online on a bunch of people's different videos. If you're looking to get these huge, massive, perfect pineapples every single time, well, then you can finesse your patch. There's ways to do that. But if you are looking to set and forget and still get good yields, this is how you do it. Every year this patch expands and the yield grows. Really hadn't done anything special to this patch. Some of the smaller plants that produced this year produced smaller pineapples, but that's because the soil top right there was just mostly sand and very little organic material. You can fix that by putting in a little bit of organic material. Pineapples are air plants. They literally do not need soil. I could go up into this tree right here, okay, and fix pineapples up into that tree, and they would grow just like this air plant right here. So it's not going to make a whole lot of difference if you superly focus in and give these guys lots of attention and lots of care. You're really not going to get that much of a difference in yield. I see a lot of folks online that they use all kinds of fertilizers and citrus this and moss that and $800 worth of stuff just to produce a good pineapple. And I'm like, no, you don't need that. You don't need that at all. Not for an air plant that gets its nutrients from the sun, the air, and water. Literally, that's it. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, as I will keep you updated on the progress and expansion of this beautiful pineapple patch. Have a great day.